we give sufficient time. We give sufficient time to every regulated entity, every entity that is supervised by the Reserve Bank to comply with the requirements, the regulatory requirements. We give sufficient time, and sometimes, as he pointed out, sometimes it may even look more than sufficient time. And we would not like to act, we are a responsible regulator, we are a responsible supervisor. If everything had been complied, I'm talking about in a general sense, why should we act?
As a matter of policy, we don't comment on individual entity or actions that we initiate in such cases. But that anyway, since this question is on the uppermost of mind of most of you, I think I would like to say 2-3 things, essentially to set the context. While we don't want to be discussing the individual details here because that will not be proper. In terms of context, as you all know, that this is a supervisory action on a regulated entity for a persistent non-compliance. Second, such supervisory actions are invariably preceded by months and at times years of bilateral engagement where we not only pointing out the deficiencies but also provide more than adequate time for them to take corrective action. Third, of course, is in terms of, as a regulator, it's incumbent upon us to protect the interest of the ultimate consumer and thereby protecting the stability of the financial system. So these actions have to be seen in that particular context.